Hey, this is Rich from HouseBarons.com. My brother Dave and I renovate houses along with Dave's son Caleb. And today we're going to show you how to treat dry, cracked hands. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing because we want to show you how to do a job yourself so you can save a ton of money. Right, Claire? All right, so the time of the year is the end of fall. Winter is right around the corner. And we work outside a lot because we're working on all kinds of projects on different houses. We also have a 32-acre farm, and what happens every single fall at the beginning of every winter, my hands they get real dry and they start cracking, and so it looks like this. Hopefully you can see that in the corner there of my thumb and on my index finger, this other thumb in the corner and that index finger. Maybe all that doesn't look like any big deal, but it feels like 4 paper cuts, and so it makes every task that I do quite painful. So I've tried a number of different products over the years, and I have to say that there's one that really stands out. And it is this right here. This is called Gold Bond Ultimate Skin Therapy Cream. And it's funny because like right there it says penetrates 10 layers deep. And you know, back in biology class, when I went to school, they said we had 7 layers of skin. So I don't know what those other 3 layers are about, but I can tell you this product works great. And we are Amazon affiliates, and we do receive a small commission for qualified purchases. So we're going to put a link in the description below to this exact product. So you can just order it right on Amazon and you won't even have to leave your home, and it'll arrive soon. Okay, so this product is so easy to use. That's what it looks like. It's just white. And so I'm going to put it here on my poor thumb, rub it in a little bit. So we'll call this day 1, first application. So like you can see there, my thumb right there is, you know, it's quite cracked open. And we'll put it on that finger too. So I'm just rubbing it in. So kind of cool thing is with this product is that just after a few minutes, you can already feel that it's working and it gives you some immediate relief. And I think it's only going to take a couple days to where my hands are going to be feeling really well again. All right, so it's the next day and I'm happy to say that the cracks in my fingers and thumbs are feeling better. I mean, they're still there, but they definitely don't hurt like they did at the beginning of yesterday. I've been applying the Gold Bond cream about every couple of hours, and it is helping a lot. All right, this is the 3rd day that I am applying the Gold Bond cream. It's actually the morning of the 3rd day, and I'm pleased to report that my hands are doing much better. Although there's still a little bit cracked on my thumbs, all the cracks are no longer open, so nothing hurts. The only negative part of this product is it's a little bit greasy when you first apply it, so you probably won't want to be eating tacos when you first put it on. Just wanted to make this video to show you how you can heal your rough, dry, cracked fingers. You know, be sure to take good care of your hands and your feet so that you can get a lot accomplished. We made another video about how to keep your hands warm in winter. So if you work outside, be sure to check out this video right here. Put a link to it up there, and it'll give you kind of a cool little hack to keep your hands warm. All right, hope you liked the video. If you did, hit the thumbs up button. It helps out our channel. Please subscribe if you haven't, because we have a ton of home improvement videos on the way. And we'll see you in this next video.